So our first VPN here is Siphon. You can get the download link in description box. It is just simple to use, just click on the icon and it will start automatically and gets connected to a private network. You can also select from multiple countries down from Dropbox. It is the best VPN to be used till now. The VPN is of small file size. The VPN has great features in it. You can easily get disconnected to it by just clicking on disconnect option and the VPN will be disconnected. You can select from multiple languages by selecting any language from here. Next VPN here is SafeVPN. Download link in description box. Since it has large file size but is still good to use. Just click on the icon and installation will start. Click on Next and accept all its terms and policies and click on Install. The installation will start. Then a SafeVPN icon will appear on the desktop. Just click on it and SafeVPN will open. In this you have to first sign up or log in for the first use. For those who are using for first time has to sign up first. Next VPN here is BetterNet VPN. Download link in description box. Since it has large file size, but it is still good type of VPN among all. Then BetterNet VPN box opens at corner of screen and then you will redirect it to VPN buyer page. But I suggest you to first experience for 7 days. Just click on the connect button and VPN will get activate. You can just disconnect it by clicking on the disconnect button. Last but not the least is UltraSurf VPN. It is a type of browser VPN as in extension type. To install this, got to Google Chrome or any browser. There go to Chrome Web Store and search for UltraSurf. Press enter. As you can see here, it has a 4.5 star rating. Then click on Add to Chrome button and then the extension will be downloaded. Then checking will start and then Ultrasur will be added to Chrome as a VPN.